Today we're installing the panels on the roof with the hoist that we made, bringing them up one by one, taking them off and installing them on the rails. Panels are locked down with these T-bolts into the rail, as you can see here. They just slide in, lock, and when you tighten them down, they snug the rail in here. The end ones also have this half moon piece, so it will apply equal torque on there. So you can see here, this is how the rails, or the panels, are also mounted together. One bolt per two panels in two locations. As you can see, we got two tie downs here per panel, per rail. One there, one there. So there's 4 mounting points total per panel, and it's shared with the next panel over. This is done to the manufacturer's spec on the panel. Each panel is a little different for their location, so you might want to check with your own before you install it. The wiring is all hooked up this side. Now I just got to hook it up at the bottom.